everybody, and welcome to another episode of my Nylon School. Today I'm trying my very first pair of Cervin stockings. So these were very kindly sent to me by one of you. 15 denier. I can't actually recall what these are. I think they might be RHT. So we'll open these up and have a look. Very fancy. These ones came from Mayfair Stockings in the UK. Ooh. Wrapped in beautiful tissue. Very nice. Ooh, right, we'll put my gloves on to handle those ones. Keep them nice and safe, hopefully, especially because black stockings show up absolutely every pull. Oh, okay, let's have a look here. No, they're not RHT. They've got a sheer heel and a sheer toe. Quite a thin welt compared to what you see in other brands. So let's make sure we get these on right. These are definitely not stretch. They've got no element of stretch to them. Heel in approximately the right spot. Right. Right, they're a good fit on the foot. Actually recall what the size of these ones are. This thin welt, thin non-stretch welt, won't be so comfortable on chunkier, larger thighs. It would likely dig in. Certainly the stretch nylons are often better if for a larger thigh. Things like what Katie did with the big welt, those are really good for larger thighs and stretching. So we'll reach in and get our clips. So these are sort of going to be clipping onto the actual, not really onto the welt, more onto sort of just over the other side of the welt. Right, so we'll put our next one on. Interesting feeling actually when I think about these compared to other brands that I have used. They're not as delicate as the Geos, possibly not even as delicate as the Secrets and Lace. Turn these around that way. They definitely do feel like they'll be harder wearing, but it will be interesting to see if not having the reinforced heel and toe will affect their longevity, because obviously heel and toe are sort of areas that are subject to harder wearing in your shoes. They feel a lot like some of the other vintage stockings I've had actually. Not quite as rough, but just definitely a harder wearing feeling. Wearing good suspenders today with flat clips, flat metal clips. Right, so they've got they've definitely got the nylon wrinkles that are caused by non-stretch nylon. They feel nice. So we'll test those ones out for a day in the office and see what we think of those. So thank you to the person who sent me these, and I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.